Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here, and today I'm with my friend Lewis.
Hello.
Hey, everybody say hi to Lewis.
Hi there.
So Lewis, you just came from doing a mod on a game and you said, hey, you got to check this out for my game.
Yeah, these new LED bulbs are great. They'll save the fade on the back glass because a normal
The
fluorescent
translight
bulb
there.
puts out a lot of UV rays, and you've seen old Gottliebs where the translight is horribly faded. Well, this will avoid it, and this has got a nice pleasing color to it.
Is it brighter than the incandescent or
Yes,
the
it is.
fluorescent?
It's slightly brighter, and it'll last hopefully forever.
So you're going to show us how to modify, because this is not just a drop-in replacement for the incandescent bulb, right?
No, the other cool thing about this is that it runs without a starter or a ballast, and so it's a direct wire just from this end. You see, this has got neutral and hot wired in from this end. So what we're going to do is bypass the starter by clipping that out, and we're also going to, just for safety, clip out the ballast from the other side, but it actually isn't necessary.
All right, let me get a before picture, just a static picture of the back glass, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so
Okay.
we want to turn the game off, right? And
So let's turn the game off. Okay, remove this. Okay. And so at this point now we can lose the starter, and sometimes these go bad and
Right.
destroy your bulb. And we're going to take the bulb out. Okay. And so the whole thing is going to be powered through
Off-
this side.
just off one end.
only. It's single-ended. So we can clip this out.
so you cut the power to the other side of it.
Yeah, we can cut this for starters.
Well, I'll tell you what, cut it in an area where it can be repatched if we want to ever put an incandescent back
Well,
in it.
Okay, I can cut it right here.
Yeah.
I suppose.
Just to be safe.
Sure. Okay.
What would happen if somebody put an incandescent after it was modified? It would just go poof?
Well, you'd be pumping 120 volts into one end of the fluorescent bulb, and I'm not sure what would happen. Okay.
That'll be in another video.
You probably don't want to do that. So
It'd probably make a neat poof.
probably. So right now, what's going on is we've got this starter here in series, and we're going to clip that out. And
All right.
I guess we can leave that in the game. Right now, the white neutral is wired into one side of this,
Okay.
and the black side is wired into the other side of the starter jack here, the socket for the starter. So what we're going to do is we're going to clip it here, and I'll clip it in the middle so that we can possibly rewire
So you're
it.
clipping the black wire?
We're clipping the black wire. We're going to take the starter socket out of the picture, and we're going to attach this black wire here. Okay? We're going to attach it directly to the black lead coming in that normally goes all the way up to that side.
I gotcha.
We're not going to that side anymore. We're going to go to this side with both the neutral and the hot. So here's the black side here.
So normally those two pins on the left side are tied together, and then the ones on the right are the other end of the circuit?
Right, in other words, you've got the white end here going straight to the socket where it needs to be,
Okay.
and where it will be. And then the black side goes through the starter, and then up and around through this, and then back over
But
here.
you're cutting that whole right side off, and you're just going to...
Right, we're going to wire it straight to this end.
Okay.
And so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out here, right up here. And if you really want to restore it, you'll be able to in the future. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to skin it back and wire nut it to this, and then put the bulb in, and it's going to work.
And I guess I've done this with regular fluorescent lights too, because there's these LED upgrades. You can get the ones that will go in with the normally wired thing, or you can get the ones where it just bypasses it, but you
Right,
have to
but
change the wiring a
This
little
is
bit.
more efficient because it's not running the voltage up and then back down
Right.
again. So, now we have to just pay attention to this side where it shows you the neutral and the hot input,
Okay.
and those go right into here. Okay, and if we wanted to, we could turn the game on now, and you'll see this beautiful
Shall we?
bulb. Yeah,
Okay.
do it. Duck.
Oh,
there you have it.
wow, that thing is bright, isn't it?
Beautiful bright bulb, and it's going to look real good in use. You can see that it does a better job of illuminating the translite, and best of all, it does not kill the color on the translite. And it's going to run cooler and longer.
I wonder, is it possible to dim that? One of the problems that I find with these games is that the reflection off of the monitor sometimes, and it, you know, if you're at a certain angle, you'll see, like if you look here, you can see that reflection off of the thing off the top.
Well, the way that you dim this would be to buy one of those old style fluorescent bulb protectors in a smoke color. And you could
Oh,
put
so
that
just put a
over the
bezel
bulb.
over it then.
Yeah, you can put a bezel or some kind of a gel over the bulb and dim it down that way. Easy.
I gotcha.
So that's it. That's
All
how
right,
you do it.
very cool.
Very simple.
And so now that's
Give
going to
up.
last a lot longer, a
Yeah.
little bit more reliable.
And the color's better. and
Yeah,
it's-
I mean, I don't know if the camera shows it, but
it pops real nice.
yeah, it's
So-
definitely.
There you go. Easy.
All right. Well, thank you guys. Thanks, Lewis, for showing us this really cool little thing. And for more, visit pinballhelp.com. And thanks for watching.